which go from red to amber to green, and then it's game on. First to go then, on the vintage line Husqvarna, Steve Bennett, winner of the A final last time out, going to set a time. He's on his own, we're looking for a good time here, and let's see what he can do when the lights change. And now amber, green and he's done. Steve Bennett's in on his way. Steve Bennett is on his way, down the bottom, he'll come back, over the stack, we do that in one. Complete jump over there. Now this is difficult. He's got to get it up on his back wheel, round and down. And that was quick. Now down to the drums, over the drums. Second long truck. And down the skip. Small skip again. Up and on top of that. Turning left, bringing it onto the side. He was 31 on top of the skip. That's about par for the course. But no one was checking in, he got it down. Across the beat, brilliant. That's a good time, 41.96 sets the standard. 41.96. Well, that needs to be brilliant as he came through here. Just about left the camera tripod. 41.96. That sets a line in the sand. Let's see what the next guy can do. This is James Jackson. James Jackson. Swing it round on the gas. James on the gas. No 28 on the bike, but a very tall youngster from Harrogate. Off he goes. We're expecting a good time from James. Down the track he goes to the end, squeezing round. Up and over the one. Complete all nearly goes back over there. But he won't ride. This is good. Pick it up, turn it. Oh, that was excellent. That was excellent. This is going to be a good time. Down 21 you should be at the skip on it within 30 seconds. And he is indeed on top. Skipping over in 29. This is going to be a cracking time at the title. On he gets to all the plank. Keep it straight as well. Oh, that's beautiful. That is smooth. 40.34. That was in control. Very, very good indeed. 40.34. It looked very good. This is key. This obstacle next to me when they have to get it up on the back wheel and swing it round, because if the front wheel goes in those holes, it's game over. So they really, really have to concentrate there. Up then, Charlie Frost. Charlie Frost next man up. From Bath on the Vita. A bit of clutch problem early in the day, but they fixed that. And let's see what he can do. Charlie Frost is the man everybody loves to beat, and green light has its own. Take it round right. Now sprint. Open the table. What can he do here when he gets to this section? Pick it up, turn it around, slow it down, and away. Now, let's have a look as he heads down towards the skip. This is going to be fast. He can get on the top in 29. He is on the top in under 29. This is going to be fast. On the tires, can he keep it together? Can he get it out? Almost crooked, he's going to cross over. That is a good one. 39.62. So they're coming down all the time. 39.62. In the West Country. Winner of the opening event this morning, opening race this morning. And it looks like he's on target to go well ahead again. Final competitor, Richard Morehouse. Richard Morehouse getting himself lined up. Let's see what he can do. There it goes. Green line underway. That's fast. That looks good. And a really interesting record on the spin last round. He's fast again. And this is where he's good. I hope the content was good on him. Oh, won't even ask if he's allowed to jump the complete blank section, but he did jump the blank section. Our referee down here said that's acceptable, that is doable. So Woody, our man, what shall be the lead? I said that is totally acceptable. So, what an effort that was. I'm going to go and talk to him now. Hey, I'm so thinking you do well, and you did do well. Fantastic. What possessed you to lead that in one go?
I just thought, every little advantage I can get, so I just went for it.
Brilliant fun. I mean, how energetic, how stressful is it physically?
Yeah, it's really hard work, especially on a turn like that, trying to manage all the way around.
The 20 one.
I need practice.
When I was like 6 years old.
So you've got a long career.
To ride like that, you've got to dislearn everything you've learned.
Mainly enduro, a little bit of trials here, a bit of motocross.
Okay, let me go and clean up this final race for you.
Anything's possible at doing it.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen, yeah.
Well done, Richard Blias, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, what we have now is the winner of the fastest time placed third and the second fastest time placed fourth. We've got 2 heats now, where 2 riders will go head to head for an A and a B grand final. Let's bring it on. James Jackson up first. So James Jackson will compete against his fellow Yorkshireman, Richard Morehouse. Fastest time from Richard, James Jackson third fastest. So first goes third. The lights are red at the moment. Waiting for the lights to change. Get behind them, everybody. Get green. This sort of thing is just the wildest event. And the lads really enjoy it. They're young, they're fearless, they're going for it. But with these obstacles that are so difficult, so unpredictable, no grip on this floor, that's why they can't get easily up on the skid. A lot of wheel spinning, but now we've got another shoot-off for the A final. Let's decide who will be in the A final. And Stephen Bennett and Charlie Frost. Here we go then. Everybody ready? Wait for the lights. Green to go. Ready for the skip to let's just keep it right here. Johnny Cross on a mission. Slides it round. Bennett's just closing. Johnny Cross looking good. Swimming at a final. Oh, into the back. There was no way through there. So, nicely seen. Flicks it round. Skip there. It's the next obstacle. Skip to own time. And it's already towards the timing vehicle. Check the flag. Tell us what you like. Let's see finish. What about that? Johnny Cross finishes it. Up on the plane. He goes. Stays on the ground. Single minutes in the Johnny's back wheel buried himself. In the closing stages, would you believe it? The closing stages, he buried the back wheel in that tricky obstacle, which I said, if you're off the plank, you're in a hole. You've either got to jump in one, which apparently is permissible, or you have to ride across the plank. So we've got an interesting B final coming up. Johnny Cross will find himself in the B final. He didn't count on that, and that's why we James Jackson and Johnny Cross in the B final for consolation prize. Let's put it up. They're coming up next. Right. We're going to do an interview in a minute. We need to talk to somebody. Right. Up you come, guys.